Daniel Kleckler. The time is currently 10:07 p.m. on August 17th, 2019. It has been requested by HP that I provide further documentation to further prove the point that the touchscreen does not work. So here is my finger, and I'm going to be touching the screen. So if I were to come up here and say open up the nice application of Microsoft Edge, and it does not work. So I am going to go ahead and pause the video for right now, so I can go ahead and get those settings pulled up so that it can further show that the screen does not have a touchscreen. Okay, so again, this is Daniel Kleckler, and the time is now 10:09 on 8/17/2019, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up the settings, again, just to show y'all that this does not work. So if you look at the keyboard, I'm going to be pressing the Windows key and the X key, which will then open up over here on this side of the screen. I'm going to select Device Manager, and then right here I'm going to go to Human Interface Devices. This is what we did during troubleshooting and what they did whenever they remoted in. And right here we see that it has HID compliant wireless radio controls and HP wireless button driver. This is also where I have been informed that it should have in this section a spot to enable that touchscreen. So there is to say that it is not compatible. I am going to pause the video just one more time and open up one more location in the settings that will further reinstate this point. Hello, it is Daniel Kleckler again. The time is now 10:14 p.m. at August 17th, 2019. I am going to be go ahead and go to the settings of the computer so I can show you that it does not have a touchscreen. So I'll open up the settings. I'll go right here to where it says System. And then in this, again, I cannot use my finger to ease the scrolling down. I'll then scroll to the bottom to where it says About. Select that About key. It takes just a moment to load. I'm going to zoom in right over here and see if I can get my screen to focus. And right there, it is going to say Pen and Touch. No pen or touch input is available for this display. So there it is. There it is, the HP Pavilion CS1 XXX. And that is what is currently right there. That states everything about no touch display available. So that is the troubleshooting that the process that I was taken through to check in those locations to ensure that it would have a touchscreen, and it does not. So again, I'm going to be signing off now. It is 10:16 p.m. on August 17th, 2019.